Hello and welcome to ELVA Rail Communications use cases. In this video, I'm going to talk about the light rail data offloading project done by the ELVA team. When I talk about this in January 2023, the project has already been running for a year, and we even made some upgrades to it. First, I will say a few words about the actuality of the project. Why data offload at a depot is actual for a light rail operator. Modern smart trams and buses are equipped with an array of CCTV cameras, sensors, digital ticket machines, and other systems to collect data for improved safety and passenger comfort operations. To address the powerful accumulation of information within a single day, there is a need for considerable capacity offload systems. Using a radio link is preferable to using cables. This makes the connection process simple and reliable. It can quickly clear all stored data at designated terminals, as well as upload new multimedia files onto passenger information systems. The operator of the light rail network is the Transportation Concession Company, which opened the traffic in 2017. 3-car trams are manufactured under license from Swiss Stadler. The passenger capacity of each tram is more than 300 people. The new light rail is very popular by passengers. The tracks run along dedicated sections of the streets. Special dispatching system assumes green corridor, providing priority movement of the tram when passing intersections. Each tram is equipped with a large number of digital systems, including 20 surveillance cameras, passenger information screens, digital ticketing machines, Wi-Fi, and a telemetry system. Each stop is also equipped with video cameras and a police call button system. There is a dispatch center, whose servers store video camera recordings and data from sensors and onboard ticket machines. This is a large amount of data, which has to be uploaded to the operator's information system. Now I will introduce you to our product. ELVA MobiBridge is an innovative 10 gigabit ultra-high capacity system, which has made wireless upload and download process faster than ever before. This is a full duplex system, and data can be uploaded and downloaded at the same time. Our wireless communication system operates in the license-free 60 GHz band. It is so fast that bandwidth limitations occur on the server or data storage of the vehicle, but not in the radio link. MobiBridge works using the classic 10 gigabit Ethernet protocol. Our device overcomes the limitations of the popular wireless offloading solutions available today. Some of these limitations include the following factors. Mobile technologies, even newer ones like 5G, are designed for very asymmetric upload speeds, so they don't provide enough bandwidth. The 5G tariffs of many mobile operators give upload speeds as low as 25 to 50 megabits. Mobile technology also includes the fixed cost of subscription fees. Standard Wi-Fi solutions operating in the 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz bands do not allow for an efficient connection when multiple trams are connecting to an access point together. In addition, Wi-Fi is a half-duplex technology and often fails or works slowly if oversaturated by traffic. Bandwidth is important to address the huge amount of data that needs to be uploaded in a limited amount of time. During the day, each tram enters the depot for driver changes and, if necessary, cleaning and technical maintenance. The time in the depot during the day is very limited, so as not to delay the traffic schedule approved with the city authorities. The depot uses a covered parking lot for data upload procedure. Just as the video is recorded, the system is being updated and ELVA staff are working right now. Transceivers are installed on each track, which are automatically connected to terminals on the tram roof. The video shows the transceivers installed on poles. As the tram approaches to radio zone, the connection is established. In the project I'm talking about now, the MobiBridge devices were placed openly on brackets on the roof. This was done for initial testing, but since the housings are sealed, the operator decided not to change the place of installation. The devices work well in all kinds of weather. The company's technicians use the ability to access the system in conjunction with the filming of the video to make additional software upgrades. That's why the cables look must, but sure, everything will look nice on your project. Let me summarize the video. MobiBridge is based on millimeter wave, 60 GHz technology, providing an ultra-high throughput of up to 10 gigabit for data offload or upload. The devices have small footprint and auto-connect function. It is an ideal solution for upgrading depots and parking lots with high-speed data offload spots. For upload and download, data encryption is used. The unauthorized persons are not able to view data copied from vehicle to the server in the dispatcher center. Thank you for watching.